Because you're not supposed to see this. I bought it. So after you eat, you have a dessert. Ah.
Butter.
Sabi niya, why you not tell me you bought donut? What will you say? Kinikilig. What's that?
I want this one.
Who's that?
Pikachu.
Pikachu, no, that's SpongeBob. It's a Pikachu pa dyan. Pikachu.
But not Pikachu.
It's not Pikachu, it's a SpongeBob. You don't know SpongeBob. That's 90s cartoons.
Butter.
Ooh, cartoons. Share to Kuya Bray, ha? Call mo Kuya Bray.
No, I want to go to.
And this is hamburger donut. It's a SpongeBob. Share to Kuya Bray. Dali, share it to Kuya Bray.
Chibayan ba yun? Chibayan.
Kakabili lang niya.
Nakadalawang slice na malaki siya.
Wow. Share donut. That is, what is that, Brayden? Oh, si Kuya Brayden knows it. Sabi niya, si Pikachu daw. Nagustuhan niya? And this one is this is a donut, but it looks like a burger.
Why you buy burger?
Ah?
Why you buy burgers?
No, that's not a burger. That's a donut. It's just like a design.
Let me try, okay?
Try it. It's a burger.
Hamburger.
Ay, sus talaga.
Yummy.
Up here.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
Love you. What is enough? Share that to Kuya. You have enough. Share it.
It's enough now.
It's not.
Bye today.
Bye, see you later. What?
And then coming back, yeah.
What?
And then coming back.
Uy, share nga yan kay Kuya.
Bye, see you later. Because I go to daddy.
Charot ka dyan ah. Meron ako suka. Ayaw mamigay. Hindi, binigyan naman niya isa. I have here, cucumber and some egg. Yan na si Kuya Bray.
Kibay, happy birthday. Sorry, Kibay. I give you a kiss. I buy it to you. I buy SpongeBob.
Basta ako, ito na ang kakainin ko.